Nice honk there. He gave us a nice wave out the window. I think I got that on camera. Containers and wagon well cars, and now we're going to go to some trailers on utility piggybacks. Looks like we got a Z train here with frozen product and parcels. Well, the engineer got quite a ways past us, and then he stuck his head out. It's almost like the conductor told him, "Hey, that's the dude. That's old man Cajon." Buddy's laying in front of the car too. They may have seen him. But yeah, they kind of gave us a great wave after that and a nice horn honk. White containers are interesting. I wonder what those are. They're 20-foot yellows. That's Cajon Wash right there. All through the pass, the train tracks cross over Cajon Wash several times, back and forth. That's the Angeles National Forest out there. In my younger days, I climbed all those peaks. Thunder Mountain, Telegraph Peak, Mount Baldy, Mount Baden-Powell. Beautiful area over there. Here's some horn honking going on up there. Hopefully we'll have a freight train coming. I'm a little bit intermodaled out. We had so many from a couple days ago. I put 3 pretty good ones together. There were just so many though that I just can't keep posting all the intermodals, so I throw half of them away anyway. Try to keep it more balanced with the freight trains, and we don't get any passenger trains out here, so just trying to keep it balanced. See the train way up there going back to the right. Somebody asked me the other day what a cutout was. That's a cutout right there. You can see where the sandstone used to be all the way down the hill there. They've cut out sections so the truck can get through. So that's a cutout. It'll be up in the summit in about 3 miles, Cajon Summit, and then it'll be in the high desert, and it can put the pedal to the metal and really get going. When they get up to the summit, once the lead engines in the front of the train gets over the summit, the trains always really pick up speed once they get on the downside. Well, I guess we don't need to wait till the end. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel, give us a like. Buddy, thanks for getting us that wave and horn honk. I think that was because they saw you at the last moment, buddy. Earning his pay. Love you guys. We will catch you on the next one. Take care.